You have reached the end of another Desmos activity, and it's time to reflect. Reflect. Where could you go to maybe look for a summary of this lesson? Wait. Here we are in Open Up Resources for students, grade 7. This is the English version. There's also a Spanish version. We're in lesson 15, Efficiently Solving Inequalities. Here's the learning targets for the lesson. And oh, look over here. There's a summary. Let's see what happens if we click on this. Oh, we can look at the summary. Lesson 15 summary. Here is an inequality. 3 times the quantity 10 minus 2x is less than 18. The solution to this inequality is all the values you can use in place of x to make the inequality true. In order to solve this, we can first solve the related equation 3 times the quantity 10 minus 2x equals 18. To get the solution x equals 2, that means 2 is the boundary between values of x that make the inequality true and values that make the inequality false. To solve the inequality, we can check numbers greater than 2 and less than 2 and see which ones make the inequality true. Let's check a number that is greater than 2. Let's try x equals 5. Replacing x with a 5 in the inequality, we get 3 times the quantity 10 minus 2 times 5 is less than 18, or just 0 is less than 18. This is true. So x equals 5 is a solution. This means that all values greater than 2 make the inequality true. We can write the solutions as x is greater than 2 and also represent the solutions on a number line. We have an open circle above the 2, and the line is going to the right, which means all values are getting bigger. Notice that 2 itself is not a solution because it's the value of x that makes 3 times the quantity 10 minus 2x equal to 18. And so it does not make 3 times the quantity 10 minus 2x is less than 18 true. For confirmation that we found the correct solution, we can also test a value that is less than 2. If we test x equals 0, we get 3 times the quantity 10 minus 2 times 0 is less than 18, or just 30 is less than 18. This is false. So x equals 0 and all values of x that are less than 2 are not solutions. That's the end of the summary. And look, if you want to do some more problems, there's even practice problems for lesson 15 if you go to Open Up Resources.